Introducing the powerful and efficient 2023 Skoda Octavia AMB 2.0tdi with 115 horsepower. This 5-door beauty in grey offers a 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission, perfect for a smooth drive. Packed with comfort and accessories like air conditioning, cruise control and a telematics system, this car ensures convenience on the road. With top-of-the-line safety features including ABS, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty. Visit laharts.ie or call us today to learn more about this outstanding vehicle.